Hello friends, and welcome you all in our channel Dimensions. Friends, today we are going to explore how we can easily insert a reference model like a DWG or DXF file in a Tekla environment. So let's start. For the training of this video, we are creating one design drawing of a small tower. You can see here, this one is our elevation along grid A and D. Another view is elevation along 1 and 3, and this the bottom one is our plan view. So there is a three different view of same tower. So in order to insert this view in a Tekla environment, first of all we need to create separate file of all the view, like this one is our elevation along 1 and 3 DWG file, another is elevation along A and D, and third one is our plan view. So make sure you have three different view with DWG file. So let's come into the Tekla interface. First of all, we have to edit the grid line according to our design data. As you can see, we already created a grid according to our design input. All the value in the X and Y and Z direction we already given here. So just right click on the grid and create the view along grid line. Click on the create. Okay. Now all the view are generated here. So our first view is elevation along 1 and 3. So here we will move to the grid A. Reset the coordinate. Go to the view. Click on the work plane and click on the parallel to view plane. Now go to the reference model. Click on the add model. Browse the file which you wanted to insert. Suppose I am selecting any of these two elevation view. For example, suppose we are taking the elevation along grid A and D. Browse the file and click on the add model. Here the by default scale is 1. This one is our previous data, so just delete it. Now click on the fit entire model. Make sure here the inner display the reference object should be checked in. Now again right click and fit the entire model. You can see here our reference model is here, so just click on that because it's shown too large. So just measure any of this dimension. Go to the edit and take the measure. Select first point and another reference point. Click anywhere. Then here you can see it's around 152400 mm. So just go to the calculator and find out the scale value. 6000 divided by 15 and 2400. 2400. Now copy this scale value. Again go to the Tekla interface, click on the elevation view and put the scale value here. Then click on the modify. Again right click and click on the fit entire model. Then you can see the view is reduces. Select the sketch and click on the move spatial with reference another plane. Pick any point and x and y axis. Then again go to the grid and select the same point and define the x and y value. Then you can see one of our elevation is set with the grid line. Now again go to the reference model. And browse the other view. A and D. Copy this scale value because we have created all the DWG file in a same scale. Okay, this is the same view. Add model. Double click on the drawing, then set the scale as 0.03, then click on the modify. Now again right click and click on the fit entire model. Select the drawing and click on the move along different plane. Pick any of this point and define x and y axis. Now again go to the grid 1, select the vertical and horizontal axis. Here you can find. So this one is our two different elevation view. Sorry. Go to the plane view. Suppose we are selecting 3 meter plan view. Now again go to the add model, select the plan view, then click on the add model. Redraw the view, then click on the fit entire model. Just go to the 3D view. Okay. Modify. Select this drawing and click on the move. Then pick any of the reference point. Suppose we are taking A1 grid. Then go to the plane view. This one is our plane view. Then pick the same point. move it again. Select the drawing. Here we need to edit the grid. It's a 3 to 1. Now modify. Then again select the drawing. Click on the move. Pick the A3 grid. Okay. Now it's in a proper position. So friends, you can see here we have inserted all the 3 different views in the grid, and all the views are properly set into the grid. Here you can start the wireframing by using this reference drawing. For example, suppose we are going to create the column. Select the column and pick the bottom point. So friends, it's easy to insert any DXF or DWG file in a Tekla environment. Friends, if you like this video, then please share with your friends, and if you have any doubt related to this video, you can comment us. We will try to resolve your problem. And thanks for your watching this video.